Quick video this morning on this 2017 King Ranch F450 low mileage pickup for sale. This truck was a new car dealership trade-in. Thankfully, they were able to sell it to us. It does have a broke tail light, which we have ordered. FX4 package. Fifth wheel and gooseneck factory provisions. LED bed lights. Pretty clean truck. Power steps. Panoramic sunroof. Clean chassis. Tires in good shape. 19.5 alloy wheels. Four-wheel drive truck, 6.7 diesel. It's getting ready to go down to the Ford dealer and get an oil change and a state inspection. Nice part is, looks like somebody was already taking good care of it because it's got a Ford sticker, and as you can see from the miles, didn't even do for anything. But we're going to take care of it so that it's ready, as we do with all of them. Nice low mileage F450 truck. These things are hard as they can be to come by right now. Luckily, we've got, I think, 6 in stock. Everything from a 2011 to a 2020 or 2021. So check the website. If you're interested in any of the others, there's one right there. Actually, we'll get a quick view of that one. I think this is a 2018. Also a 450. That one is in a limited. Got limiteds ×2, a couple lariats, and of course the big daddy, the King Ranch. Check the website, davis4x4.com. Updates every day. Always 2 to 3 trucks coming and going. A couple sports cars, some classics. There's another 450 right there. It's a 16 model with just over 100. Check us out anytime. Keep an eye on the website. Give us a call.